welcome student again. In last video we have discussed about the theory of evolution and definition of evolution. Now we are going to study about the evidences of evolution. There are different types of evidences for the evolution. That is first, morphological evidences. What are the different evidences? Morphological evidences. Next, anatomical evidences. Third, vestigial organs. Next, paleontological evidences. And next, embryological evidences. Now we are going to discuss how these different types of evidences helps to prove the theory of evolution. या वेगवेगळ्या एव्हिडन्सेसच्या सहाय्याने लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये प्रोग्रेस आणि डेव्हलपमेंट कशी झालेली आहे फ्रॉम देअर ancestors. How the living organism get developed shows the progress from their ancestors. These different types of evidences proves it. Okay. Now first we are going to discuss about the morphological evidences. Now first you must know that what is meant by morphology. Morphology means external characteristics. On the basis of external characteristics, how the living organism shows progress and development, or how they resemble to one another. Now in your textbook there are some pictures given, and there is try this. Under the try this, observe following images and note the similarities between animal images and plant images. If you observe the images carefully of plants and animals which are given in your textbook, we must notice that there are some similarities. Which are these? If you observe the images of animals given in your textbook, or which the animals which observed around us, आपल्या भोवती सुद्धा जे काही प्राणी आहेत त्यांच्याही मध्ये कोणकोणत्या सिमिलॅरिटीज आहेत हे आपण ऑब्झर्व करतो. They shows similarities in the structure of their nostrils. Nostrils जे काही स्ट्रक्चर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. They shows similarity in their position of mouth. Position of nostril, structure of nostril, and if you observe the examples of animals, for example dog, cat, or goat, sheep, they shows similarities. The body of this animal covered with thick hair. They shows similarities in their ear pinna. त्यांच्या कान जे आहे त्याचं लोकेशन किंवा पोझिशन जी आहे ती सिमिलर आहे. त्यांच्या माउथचं स्ट्रक्चर, नॉस्ट्रिल म्हणजे नाक जे आहे त्याचं पोझिशन आणि स्ट्रक्चर ह्याच्यामध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी आपण पाहतो. ओके. सिमिलरली in case of plants, as we observe in our day-to-day routine, different examples of plants, for example mango, chiku, or the guava, they show the similarities in their shape and size of leaf. They show similarities in their shape, size, and also shows a similarity in their leaf venation. they shows a similarity in their fruit shape and size. Okay. In this way, these plants and animal shows some similarities, and on the basis of these similarities of plants and animals, we can say that these plants and animals have the same origin or are get evolved from the same ancestors. यांच्यामध्ये जी काही सिमिलॅरिटी आपल्याला दिसून येते त्याच्यावरून आपण असं म्हणू शकतो दे हॅव कॉमन एन्सेस्टर्स, दे आर इव्हॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम द सेम ओरिजिन. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द मॉर्फोलॉजिकल एव्हिडन्सेस. नेक्स्ट, दॅट इज anatomical evidences. Anatomy means internal structure, internal organization. मग शरीरामध्ये आतमध्ये काय आहे तर बोन्स, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोन्स, हाऊ दे आर जॉईंड टू वन अनदर, दॅट इज anatomy. There are some examples given in your textbook under the anatomical evidences, that is, for example, human hand, मानवी हात आपल्याला माहित आहे. Cat's four legs, मांजराचे पुढचे पाय. Patagium of bat, वटवाघळाचा जो काही पर आहे तो. अँड फ्लिपर ऑफ व्हेल, व्हेल माशाचा पर. इफ यू think about the organs of these different animals, that is human hand, four legs of a cat, patagium of bat and flipper of whale. These are the organs of different organism and they have the different function. Okay, even though these organs are of different animals having different function, but they shows a similarity in their joints of bones. If you observe the diagrams carefully which are given in your textbook, the joints of these bones shows some similarities, and these similarities in their anatomy or the internal structure of these different organisms, that is man, cat, bat and whale, have the common ancestors or are evolved from the common origin. These two evidences proves that all the organisms are evolved from the common ancestors. Now we will stop here, and in next video we will discuss about the another evidences of evolution. Thank you.